Hello and good morning friends. Welcome to our channel. Before we start this video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for daily current affair and GK updates. Today we are going to discuss important GK questions related to Indian polity and constitution which are very important for all exams. Our first question for today is, from which country the method of impeachment of the President of India is adopted from? Right answer is option A, USA. Constitution has adopted the method of impeachment of the President of India from Constitution of USA. Our second question is, what is the number of schedules in Constitution of India? Right answer is option D, 12. There are 12 schedules in Constitution of India. Our third question is, how many freedoms are guaranteed by the Article 19? Right answer is option D, 6. Article 19 is the most important and key article which embodies the basic freedoms. Our fourth question is, which article of the Indian Constitution provides the right to constitutional remedies that allow Indian citizens to stand up for their right against anybody, even the government of India? Right answer is option B, Article 32. Article 32 provides the right to constitutional remedies, which mean that a person has right to move to Supreme Court for getting his fundamental right protected. Our fifth question is, introduction of provincial autonomy is related to which of the following acts? Right answer is option D, the Government of India Act 1935. The Government of India Act 1935 allowed provinces to act as autonomous units of administration in their defined spheres. Our next question is, which among the following is a correct combination of members in Joint Committee on Office of Profit? Right answer is option A, 15 from Lok Sabha and 10 from Rajya Sabha is equal to total 25 members is a correct combination of members in Joint Committee on Office of Profit. Question number 7 is, which amendment of the Constitution added administrative tribunals? Right answer is option A, 42 Amendment Act. The Constitution added 42 Amendment Act for administrative tribunals. Our next question is, in which year Sikkim was included in the Northeastern Council? Right answer is option C, 2002. In the year of 2002, Sikkim was included in the Northeastern Council. Our next question is, which of the following is or are qualifications to be appointed as governor of a state? Option A, should be citizen of India. Option 2, should not resident of the state of which he or she works as governor. Option 3, should have completed age of 35 years. Right answer is option B, only 1 and 3. The only qualifications for appointment as governor are that he should be citizen of India and must have completed the age of 35 years. Our next question is, who among the following has been given the power by the Constitution of India to impose reasonable restriction on the fundamental rights? Right answer is option B, Parliament. Fundamental rights listed in Part 3 of the Constitution are not absolute and can be restricted on reasonable grounds by the legislative enacted by Parliament. Question number 11 is, which of the following President of India had shortest tenure? Right answer is option B, Zakir Hussain. Dr. Zakir Hussain served as the third President of India from 13 May 1967 until his death on 3 May 1969. Our next question is, which among the following article is specifically excluded from the purview of the procedure of amendment as prescribed in Article 368? Right answer is option C, Article 169. Article 169 provides for creation of the Legislative Council in states. Any creation or abolition of the Legislative Council in state will need an amendment for the Constitution, but it will be of the first category and to be passed by simple majority. Our next question is, which of the following part of Indian Constitution resembles the standard setting charter of the United Nations and the Universal Declaration of the Human Rights of 1948? Right answer is option B, Part 3. Universal Declaration of Human Rights was on the final stage of drafting at the United Nations when India's constitution was adopted. Our second last question is, which among the following acts incorporated 11th fundamental duty in Indian Constitution? Right answer is option C, 86th Amendment Act. Constitution's 86th Amendment Act added a new fundamental duty under Article 51A. Our last question for today is, which among the following act was known as the Anarchical and Revolutionary Crime Act 1919? Right answer is option D, Rolnath Act. Rolnath Act was known as the Anarchical and Revolutionary Crime Act 1919.